Hi guys, my name is Vikram. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of DJI Osmo Mobile 3. This is not the combo, this is the normal DJI Osmo 3. So let's get to the unboxing of it. Alright, let's see what's coming in the box. First thing coming out is the strap. I believe this is the hand strap, and you can tighten it up once you put it in the hand, so just in case your Osmo doesn't fall down. Second, so this is the famous DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Some kind of shoes. USB-C type cable, and what do we have here? DJI Osmo bag and some manual. I'm quite sure none of you want to read what is there. So this is for the latest. Alright, let's see what's in the gimbal. Okay guys, so this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. It looks like this. Oh, it has got a protective case, just it doesn't scratch itself. Okay, so this is the one. That's the gimbal. It doesn't require any balancing, it balances itself. That's what I heard. And let's see the bag. Oh wow, this is a very nice bag. It also got a DJI Osmo written on it and a logo as well. So anyway guys, this is what you get in a non-combo DJI Osmo Mobile 3. I believe in the combo you get extra thing only you get is the tripod stand and a box. Box is about yay big. So I didn't need it because I got a camera bag, so it was pointless of me to have that one. It only is an extra weight, but if you guys want to have a box and you intend to travel it with a box, then it's a better buy. But for me it is a better buy without a combo, because I get 85% of the stuff in just a non-combo, and it saves quite a lot of dollars as well. So anyway guys, you like my video. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you can subscribe my channel, and more videos will be coming soon. Thank you very much for your time. Ron outside.